Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm doing a camera test with the Moto G Stylus. Yes, I'm walking around my park. I just want to test out these cameras because people have been asking. Look, slow pan. Y'all let me know how everything looks, how that sound. It is kind of windy today, so how are the mics doing with the wind? I don't know, it looks pretty good by what I can see on the phone, but the screen does not get that bright, y'all. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not as bright as my flagships. But y'all let me know. I'm gonna just do some tests. I'm gonna come back with 1080p and also some front facing video just to test out these cameras. Look, people are drinking a beer. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. I'm gonna come back with 1080p. Until then, peace. All right, everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second on the Moto G Stylus. Slow pan of the area. Let's focus 8x zoom. How does that look? That's at 3x. Let's go back out. I'm liking this phone so far. I mean, it's a budget phone. I like messing around with the Stylus, playing around with some apps that my man RP3 Tech Reviews mentioned to me. But, you know, most people worry about cameras. So, yes, I'm going to put this against the Moto G7 also in a video. But y'all let me know. Again, is this something you can use? Is this something that you want to buy? $299 on Motorola's website. Say that really fast, but you know. Again, how's the stabilization? Just walking, holding the phone. The cameras have some good features. You know, you can do 4K on the rear, 1080 at 30 frames per second on the front cameras. It has some cool little tricks that you can do with the rear cameras too. I can actually shoot in landscape but hold the phone vertically. Actually, I think that would help some YouTubers I know. But this is 1080p at 60 frames. Again, how does that wind sound? Y'all let me know. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Slow pan of the area. Again, I'm at my famous little park. Yes, the wind wants to pick up. Hopefully it's not too bad. I hate when you shoot a video and the wind's really too bad. But it's a great way of testing out the mics on this phone. The phone is $299. So what y'all think? Again, how does everything look? How do I sound? Look at the leaves moving. It's a beautiful day in Texas. I think it's about 90 something degrees already. But it is what it is. At least we're not at 100 yet. That's coming soon though. Look, slow pan of these. I don't know. The cameras look pretty good by what I'm seeing on the phone again. But more tests coming. I'm going to have some photos coming soon too. Y'all let me know. I just like doing these camera tests so people can make their own decisions, do their own homework. If you have the Moto G Stylus or the Moto G Power, let me know in the comments. How are you liking it? Let's zoom in again. The zoom does not look that great, by the way. Really doesn't, but let's go all the way back out. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera next. Until then, peace. All right, everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Moto G Stylus. What do y'all think? Look at those wrinkles on my forehead. But what y'all think about it? How do I look? How do I sound? How does the background look? Look at the shirt. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds to y'all. Yes, I'm just walking around holding the phone. I don't know, it looks pretty good to me. Yes, the sun is really bright today. I think I'm gonna get me some Botox once all this coronavirus stuff is over. But again, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. What y'all thought about this whole video. Check out the photos I'm about to drop after this. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about the photos too. And how does everything look. Okay everyone, so this is the nighttime video on the Moto G Stylus. Now I wasn't going to do nighttime on the camera test, but why not? Because some people actually like shooting at nighttime. So this is in 4K at 30 frames. Yes, I'm at my famous little park or famous little shopping center. Walking around. Y'all let me know how everything looks. How do I sound? What y'all thought about the photos and the video? One thing I noticed is that the stabilization on this phone is not good at all, especially in 4K and 1080p at 60 frames. But this is just going to be a short little video. Look at nighttime, the sky. But again, what y'all think about it, y'all let me know in the comments. I'm going to come back with the front-facing video. Okay everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on the Moto G Stylus at nighttime. What do y'all think? How do I look? How do I sound? Look at that quarantine look. I need to get my hair cut. No, I don't go to somewhere I cut my own hair. So yeah, I'm gonna shave it off. But what y'all thought about this whole video? What do y'all think about the cameras now? How does it look? I don't know, it looks not too bad. I don't think so, but y'all let me know. Could you rock with these cameras? Remember, this phone is only $299. Yes, I'm going to put it against my V60 really soon, because I just want to see it compared to a flagship. But again, y'all let me know how y'all thought this whole video was. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video or didn't like the quality of the cameras, let's get a discussion going, please. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.